being that my brother Kris, said like I'm the new Dr. Sebi, and I'm gonna be honest with you with this stuff right here. Like I've been facing some combat, I guess online combat through this with my content, as far as because I've been releasing a lot of content, and I've seen that it's been removed and it's been getting age restrictions. And like how to grow a alkaline garden for beginners 2020.
That's getting removed.
It got an age restriction for you have to be 18 and up. But the thing is, in my content, in my own personal life, I try not to swear. And in my videos, I don't use swear words, and it's very appropriate. But I'm getting it with age restrictions, and I swear you can even check. There's a recent video or the thumbnail is how to cure cancer. Yet I met with an age restriction. I'm gonna file appeal for that today. I just had to have somebody send some documents so I can appeal it. So this is natural. This is natural, holistic stuff, and this is what I'm saying. Like I want to grow, and this is for the better of the people. You dig what I'm saying? Like
AJ, what do you say to that?
Now, when you do your videos, YouTube changed this in July of last year or something to where it does the age restriction on it. When you upload your videos, I mean, do you check? I mean, well, you have to do it. You check off that this is not child appropriate.
Yeah.
Okay. And you can also set that to your default. So it always does that every time you upload as well, too. If you have it to say that it's not child appropriate, like I have mine, even though kids watch my stuff, my daughter watches it. So I'm happy about that, but I'm kind of don't, because if too many kids start looking at, they'll start flagging your stuff. But yeah, if you show that it's not meant for kids, that's really it. There's the only thing else I can think is maybe a computer is filing your stuff wrong, but I don't know. I mean, the only thing else I would add to that is make that a part of your handle. Like, just like when I describe at the beginning of, I give my message, my mission at the beginning of my videos, make that cool. I mean, at the beginning of it's like, hey, I'm teaching about this, this, and this. Please let you know that this content is meant for, is not child appropriate. It's for 18 above. I mean, even if it's just that little thing, to where if somebody tries to come back and says, man, I can't help it, kids watching it. I'm flagging it right with the tools you gave me. And I'm saying that this is not for kids.
Good point there. Wow, that's deep, AJ. So the video, the algorithm will strip that off and actually.
Okay. Because I just didn't feel like it was fair. I have a gardening video. I'm telling people how to grow blackberries. But then, I'm not monetized. But then there's videos that are monetized, and they're talking about malicious things, very harmful things, and YouTube is putting ads on this, and they're paying it, and they're putting it on the front page, and etc.
Yeah, that's interesting. I mean, I'll put it this way: I like YouTube, I really do. Let me just be honest. Most of it's about 77,000 videos are watched every second on YouTube, and there's no way for a person to do it. A computer is doing it, and as a computer science major, program, do all the other stuff, and I got the background in it. No computer program is perfect. Yeah. I've heard, and I've even had stuff falsely marked. So unfortunately, you might have to work within the confines of that. But basically, I mean, it's the fact that you're documenting it. I would say everything that you can possibly do, whether you got to put a lower third that just says, as a reminder, this is not for this or something like that.
Could be. All right, man. Let me keep moving, brother. Brother Healing, it's great to meet you. Good seeing you.
Yeah, it's great seeing you, brother. Appreciate your work.
Please keep doing what you're doing, man. We need you, dog.
Well, for sure. You too, man. We need you too, because we appreciate you. You telling us how to get the money, you know what I'm saying? How to be abundant. You hear me?
You're right.
And you got a new sub. I just subbed to you too.
Okay, yeah. I appreciate that for sure. We're gonna be in contact, all right?
All right, we gone. Thank you, Healing. Talk to you soon, bro.
I'll talk to you soon, brother.
Yeah.